think maybe it says something about you and the quality of your work
that
you can get an AI to do it for a few days while you're gone.
You can go to daverubin.com and then a pop-up comes up that says "Speak to AI Dave."
The More to Move You sales event is going on now at Mark Mazda in Scottsdale. Right now, receive 1.9% financing for up to 60 months on the brand new 2025 Mazda CX-50 or CX-50 Hybrid.
Jesus fucking Christ.
$10,000 off the top of MSRP when you lease a
Explaining cats lived outdoors for 10,000 years, it's never going to stop. But I went to the store, yellow Mercedes, and explaining cats lived outdoors for 10,000 years, it's never going to stop. But I went to the store and I bought you some rear glass and this car cover. You use it every time you park.
Shit, what was that? That was a car that just crashed right by us.
Oh my God. This is compassionate, arguably communitarian behavior from the cat allies.
Oh my.
And that's being neighborly.
We also had another Rose situation.
Whoa! Fuck me!
Sulle!
Man, that was close.
Matam stopku, kurva!
Emergency video.
You fucking idiot. Holy fucking shit, you're stupid. Put your fucking pedal down, you fool. Wow.
Is what I tell her. Literally anything. It's Angela.
It's a good road.
No.
What a fun.
I don't know.
If you can't handle that, that's okay. Then go find someone else to sleep with, to be with consent. Yeah. You are not owed anything. It is your life, your body. You can do whatever with your body. No one can tell you when.
Exactly right. He's very methodical in looking at the preparatory work. He goes through the idea of firstly identifying people by reference to their affiliation to a particular group, then restrictions on education, restrictions on the use of language, restrictions on housing, then they've got to live in a particular place. jobs, then they can't do certain jobs, then they've got to be gathered together in certain places.
And there it goes.
Hell yeah!
He's doing it. Oh my god, he's doing it. He's doing it. Oh my gosh. He actually did it. Ooh.
Thanks for watching and have a great day.